Hello, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Benjamin Probert, and I am the founder of Reservely. This video is going to be a quick video demo of Reservely and some of the features it has to offer. I'm going to try to keep it short. I'm going to try to keep it below 5 minutes. If you do want a more in-depth feature outline, I do have a video for that on my YouTube channel. You can check that out. I also have videos for all the updates that Reservely releases. We just released update 1.3, which includes a live map feature. But this video is just going to outline the basic features, some of the advanced features, and the restaurant creation setup. With that, we're going to hop into it. When you go to your dashboard, as soon as you log in, you're going to get walked through the Create Your Restaurant portal. So you can put in your restaurant name. Obviously, I'm just going to use placeholder information just because I want to get through this quickly so that we can keep this video short, just so you guys understand what Reservely is and some of the things that we have to offer here at Reservely. Choose a logo. Set your hours. I'm just going to do 9 to 5 every single day. Go to reservation settings. These people usually keep as default. Obviously, you can change them as you guys please. I'm going to leave these on default, but you do get to choose your reservation duration, minimum notice, your maximum notice, and your party size. For your tables, you're going to type in whatever tables you have. So I'm going to have small table 1, small table 2. Oops, I meant to do small table 1, small table 2, and big table, which is going to seat 8 people. Add table. Then we go on to my favorite feature, which is the live map feature. So I am going to create a live map for this test restaurant. Remember, when I set up the tables, I set it up with 2 small ones and 1 big one. So keep that in mind when you're making your restaurant layout. I'm going to put the door right here. And then for the tables, I'm going to have 2 small tables and I'm going to have 1 big table. I'm going to select it. I'm going to scale it like so. And then I'm going to assign it. So I'm going to assign big table. I'm going to assign small table 1 and small table 2. With that, I'm going to go save map. Okay. And this is the review before we submit our restaurant. Go ahead, create restaurant. It does have to be approved on my end, so I'm going to pause the video, approve this, and come back. All right, I've gone ahead. I've approved the restaurant in the database. And now, as you can see, if you go to customer view, customers will see restaurant name, which is the restaurant that we just created. Now, for the next few minutes, I'm going to go over a couple basic features and a couple advanced features of Reservely, just so you guys as business owners know what to expect. I'm going to save the live map feature for last, because you have to save the best for last. The first and one of the most important things I want to go over is your restaurant booking link. Whenever you make a restaurant through Reservely, you will be given a custom link. And when you go to that link, you'll be taken to a reservation screen, and this is a customer side reservation screen. And what you do with this custom link is you're going to take it and you're going to put it on your own website. If you need help, our team does this free of charge. It's very easy. But that means that people can make reservations directly through your website. So if they type in your restaurant name into Google, click on your website, they can make a reservation directly through there using the custom link. The next options we have is all of these down here. We have manage restaurant. You can change anything that you set up during the creation process. So you can change all of these settings. You can change your hours. You can change your name, phone number, etc. Whatever you want. The next option is edit seating. This one is also pretty self-explanatory. You have your tables. You can make new tables. You can delete tables, whatever you want to do. The next feature, one of the more important features, is the edit map feature. It's exactly what it sounds like. You can edit your map. You can add doors, tables, walls, whatever it is you want to do. And most importantly, you can assign these. So if you move your tables around, if you move your chairs around, whatever it is, it's very easy to edit, and our program will reflect that. Now, the most important feature, my favorite feature, is the live map. So when you go to reservations, you have a live map feature or you have a reservations list. Obviously, there's none today because I just made the restaurant, but this would list all of your reservations by date, by name, however you want to filter it. For the live map, this is how it's going to work. Your tables will either be green, red, or yellow. Green means the table is empty, red means it's occupied, and yellow means it's reserved. So as people come and go, you can click on you can click on tables to indicate that someone's sitting there, someone's not. The most important part is the yellow status. If somebody makes a reservation, let's say for 8 people, the only table that can seat them is big table. Let's say they make a reservation for 3 p.m. At 1:30 p.m. or 2 p.m., depending on whatever settings you set up on Restaurant Creation, we know as restaurant owners that we can't seat people at big table because it would bleed into a scheduled reservation. So how it works and what our program does is it's going to change big table automatically at whatever time you choose, whatever the settings you chose. It's going to change the status to yellow. And what yellow means is that no one is currently sitting there, but we cannot seat people there because it's going to bleed into a scheduled reservation. Apart from that, as people come and go, you can click on tables, you can make them green, red, indicating available or occupied. And what this will mean is that we will have a live status of our tables at all time. So if somebody comes in and they want to sit down, all we have to do is look at our map, see if we have any options. If there's green tables, that means, okay, we can seat them there. I could seat these people at small table, confirm, there we go. Apart from that, we also have a manual entry reservation button. So if somebody calls on the phone instead of doing it online, which likely will happen, all you have to do is put in their name, their people, their date, and this will restrict it to reservations that aren't already booked. So you can do it for them while they are on the phone. That 100% works as well. It gives you both options to do it online or over the phone. Apart from that, that is essentially all it is for Reservely. We are using POS integration and Reserve with Google soon. We're just waiting on approval for both of those things. But apart from that, if you have any questions, talk pricing, whatever it is, feel free to contact me or anyone else on my team that you're talking to. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you.